ironically enough, I've always wanted to go to school in California. I thought that was my thing. I mean, I'm from New York City, and I just thought any city in California would be just as big and just as lively, and being out there getting education would be really cool. But once I started to navigate through my undergraduate education at The Ohio State University, I realized that distance does matter to me when it comes to where I choose to get my education, and physically going to school in California seemed kind of far. So I was originally deterred from applying to schools in California, but then I made a change in career path from pre-veterinary to public health. And as I took my gap year and started working full time, I realized that online programs existed and decided to look into them. And USC's online program came up as an option, which made me excited because, again, California, great. And as I started to look into the program and compare it to the other programs that I was interested in, I really felt like USC's program was one that would be a great fit. And, it just seemed like something in which it's a very kind of like involved program, very interactive. It's something in which, even though you're online, you can still feel connected to your faculty and staff and to your classmates as well. And that was just, encouragement for me to apply to the program and just hope I'll get in. So how did the scholarship help me attend USC? Well, this scholarship was very beneficial because, as I said, I was working full time, and I knew I wouldn't be able to afford a graduate program on my own, so I definitely had to take out loans. And so this scholarship helped kind of relieve some of that burden of taking out student loans. And also, it was just encouragement for going to the program. It was kind of like reassurance, like, yes, you were chosen by USC, and look, they gave you a scholarship. Hey, so it was definitely very encouraging for me as a student, and I just was even more excited to start the program after finding that out. I just felt so blessed and happy and really grateful as well. My experience with the online program has been a pretty good one. I really enjoy it. It's crazy and kind of mind-blowing how interactive it is, and just the levels to which you can do cool things with Zoom, especially. I mean, I didn't know breakout rooms were a thing, so I thought that was really cool. And just being able to see the professors and see my classmates makes it more personalized, and it just makes it really feel like I'm in class and I'm in school, And I've also been able to connect with some of my classmates. So from my first semester, which was last semester, I have made a good bond, formed a good bond with my group mates from one of my courses, and we still text each other and talk about our coursework and, kind of help each other out and just help each other, just be supportive for each other throughout this program. So I've had a good experience thus far, and I'm excited to continue. This degree would really be beneficial for my next steps in public health. As mentioned before, I had attained my bachelor's of science in microbiology, and so that's a little general in the scientific realm, and by getting this master's degree, I am kind of directing, my path a little more. I feel like it helps me narrow down the ways in which I can go to attain my final career goal. And so this degree will be very beneficial for me. It will provide me with all the knowledge and skills, at least introductory skills, that I need to start any job within this field. And so I'm excited about that, and I can't wait to see what comes following the degree. And currently, I am not working anywhere. I just moved to Atlanta because I wanted to be able to network for my practicum experience next year. So I like to plan ahead and be ready. And so I wanted to kind of get my foot in the door out here and try to meet people in the field and maybe gain mentors of some form. And so I moved out here, and I am still kind of job hunting. But that's it. So thank you so much. All the best. Bye.